For clean change procedure. When it's time to change the for clean, the machine will prompt you with a message. At the bottom of the screen you see replace for clean. We have to go to the back of the machine, turn off the machine using the main switch on the back panel. Remove the protective cover. Detach the elastic clip holding the for clean. Disconnect the 3 connectors from the for clean and remove it. Open a new for clean. Mount the new for clean in the fixing clips. Make sure the for clean filter is placed right side up. Reconnect the 3 connectors to the for clean filter. Tie the elastic clip again to fix the for clean and replace the protective cover. And turn on the machine using the main switch on the back panel. Switch on the secondary switch on the front panel. The light turned from red to green. Press filter management. Press replace for clean. The filter priming and spilling will start automatically. After the for clean change, we disinfect the formula machine with bleach before our next dialysis treatment. We go to and manual disinfection, chemical full, and press auto off. Use the arrow up to change to enable. Press OK to confirm, and we connect the disinfectant connector to our disinfectant.